Do this with your orchid, and it will bloom all year round. Start by taking a large bowl and filling it with water. Add 1 tablespoon of baking soda. Place 3 mandarins in the bowl and let them soak for 30 minutes. The baking soda will remove any pesticide residues and impurities from the fruit. Meanwhile, prepare eggshells by crushing them into smaller pieces with a mortar. Eggshells are an excellent source of calcium, which strengthens plant roots and supports healthy leaf development. Next, take a large jar and add the crushed eggshells. Pour 300 milliliters of hot water over them and let it sit for 30 minutes to release the minerals. Return to the mandarins, remove them from the water, and peel them. Mandarin peels are rich in vitamins, especially vitamin C. Cut the peels into smaller pieces. Once the water with the eggshells has cooled, fill the jar almost to the top with water. Add the prepared mandarin peels and stir well. Seal the jar and place it in a cool spot for 24 hours to allow the ingredients to combine thoroughly. After this time, strain the mixture through a sieve and pour it into a spray bottle. Your homemade fertilizer is ready to use. Spray your orchid's leaves both on top and underneath. You can also use the fertilizer to water the roots. Use it regularly, and your orchids will bloom more abundantly and for a longer time. I don't water a weak orchid with plain water. Just 1 dose of this mixture is enough to make it bloom again. Start by adding a tablespoon of ground coffee to a jug. Pour boiling water over it and let it steep for a few minutes. Then, prepare a second container, preferably another jug. Place a strainer lined with gauze on top and pour the brewed coffee through it to remove the grounds. Let the liquid cool down. Then dilute it with water. Use this solution to water the plant's roots. Coffee grounds contain nitrogen, phosphorus, and magnesium, all essential nutrients for an orchid's growth. They also have a slightly acidic pH, which can help maintain the soil's low pH level. Transfer the remaining mixture into a spray bottle. Place the orchid in a bowl and generously spray its leaves. Let it sit for a few minutes, then wipe the leaves dry. Repeat this process once a month to nourish a weak orchid. After a few months, it will bloom again. Do it for your flowers. The result will be amazing. Start by taking a few red onions and peeling off their skins. Onions are not just a tasty ingredient, but also an excellent product you can use in gardening. Onion skins contain valuable nutrients like potassium, phosphorus, and flavonoids, which support plant growth and blooming. Onions also help combat plant diseases and improve flower resilience. Place the skins in a pot and cover them with water, ensuring they are fully submerged. Simmer everything on low heat for about 30 minutes. During cooking, the beneficial nutrients from the onion skins will gradually release into the water. Then strain the mixture to remove any remaining skins. Pour the resulting liquid into a spray bottle for easy application on plants. Now simply spray your plants with this natural fertilizer. You can use it for orchids and other potted flowers. Red onion fertilizer not only provides essential minerals to your plants, but also enhances the health of their leaves and flowers. Try this method and see how quickly your plants reward you with beautiful appearance and healthy growth. Geraniums will bloom like never before, covering your entire balcony or terrace. This simple fertilizer costs nothing and eliminates the need for expensive commercial fertilizers. This liquid is completely free and rich in the essential nutrients for healthy plant growth. It contains nitrogen, potassium, phosphorus, and trace elements that support plant development. It's perfect for watering geraniums, and you'll see amazing results in no time. This wonderful fertilizer is made from crushed onion peels. All you need are 2 handfuls of onion peels. Pour a liter of hot water over them. Let the mixture sit overnight. The next day, the fertilizer is ready to use. For watering geraniums, dilute the onion peel fertilizer with an additional liter of water. Your geraniums will reward you with beautiful flowers. For use as a spray, you can use the onion mixture without diluting it. Pour the fertilizer into a spray bottle. The onion extract acts as a natural pesticide. Its strong smell repels unwanted insects without harming the plants or the environment. It's excellent for protecting against aphids. Regular use guarantees complete protection. This natural fertilizer makes my flowers grow like crazy. It contains everything flowers need. I can use it on any plant in the house. My plants have finally stopped getting sick, and their roots have strengthened. The flowers are beautiful and healthy. Thanks to this fertilizer, potted plants have large green leaves. It increases the number of buds and shoots in flowering plants. This homemade mixture contains all the essential elements: potassium, phosphorus, calcium, silicon, zinc, and others. To prepare it, you'll need rice and either a blender or a coffee grinder. Start by making rice flour from the rice. Meanwhile, get a jar ready. Put a teaspoon of rice flour into the jar. Add 1 teaspoon of sugar. Heat 500 milliliters of water. Pour the hot water over the mixture in the jar. Close the jar and let it sit for 3 days. After this time, strain the mixture through a fine sieve. Dilute it. Add 500 milliliters of water for every 100 milliliters of fertilizer. You can save the rest of the jar's contents for later use. Now, water your plants with this mixture and wait for the results. Your Christmas cactus will be bursting with flowers. All it takes is using these secret fertilizers to make the plant bloom like crazy. The Christmas cactus, also known as the Schlumbergera, is named for its winter blooming season. To keep it thriving, feed it natural fertilizers during watering. Simply add 1 tablespoon to water and pour it over your cactus. It turns out that a spoonful of coffee grounds is a key ingredient to stimulate flowering. Coffee has a slightly acidic pH, making it an ideal fertilizer for acid-loving plants like the Christmas cactus. Additionally, coffee grounds contain nitrogen and other nutritious minerals. To prepare this fertilizer, mix 1 tablespoon of coffee grounds with half a liter of water. Stir well and water the plant with it. Repeat the process every 2 weeks. You can also use leftover brewed coffee. Just dilute it in a 1:5 ratio before watering. Another excellent ingredient for fertilizer can also be found in your kitchen: a banana peel. With its help, your Christmas cactus will be covered in blooms. Don't throw away the peel after eating a banana. It's incredibly valuable for plant care. Chop the banana peel into small pieces and place them in a bowl. Then, cover them with water. Banana peels are rich in potassium, phosphorus, calcium, silicic acid, and sulfur, making them highly nutritious for plants. With this mineral boost, your cactus will bloom abundantly and the flowers will be strong.